Get ready to be amazed by some incredible facts about the Draco lizard. Did you know that this tiny reptile, found in the dense forests of Southeast Asia, possesses a remarkable ability to glide from tree to tree? But here's what will really blow your mind. The Draco lizard doesn't just glide. It does so with wing-like membranes stretched between elongated ribs, making it a true aerial acrobat of the animal kingdom. Imagine a lizard taking to the skies like a superhero. This astonishing creature showcases the extraordinary diversity of life on our planet.